Welcome and congratulations on your new little luxury, the only mini water cooler that both filters and cools. Our filters purify the water by removing all harmful pesticides, heavy metals, and contaminants while retaining the valuable minerals of the water. Little Luxury is made from food-grade quality materials and uses almost 70% less energy than the traditional cooler. It silently cools water to about 45 degrees Fahrenheit in around 30 minutes. This video will show you how to use and take care of your new Little Luxury. For the first time only, we recommend that you remove the filter and rinse it for about 30 seconds, gently shaking it out. This removes any carbon residue. Next, remove the top cover of the cooler and wipe the base clean. Then, replace the cover and insert the filter into the cooler. Next, remove the cap from the water bottle and fill it with water from the sink. Then, replace the cap. Carefully place the inverted bottle onto the cooler. You will notice bubbles forming as the water travels through the filter into the cooler. The first time you fill up an empty cooler, the water level in the bottle will drop. Once you refill the bottle and place it onto a full cooler, the water level will stay the same. Then, simply plug in your Little Luxury, switch it on, and in 30 minutes, you'll have ice-cold, filtered, healthy drinking water. We hope you enjoy your new Little Luxury and all the convenience of ice-cold, filtered water anytime, anywhere. For more information, please visit our website at www.littleluxury.com.